How to make graduation rate corrections through the ADE Cohort graduation rate system.
The ADE Cohort graduation rate system is located within the ADE Data Center. To enter the graduation rate system, you must have an active trying account and be granted permission. If you do not have permission to enter the graduation rate system, please contact your district try-in manager. The ADE Cohort graduation rate system has two sets of corrections and reviews that must be met, the 4-year and the 5-year. District users must select the appropriate cohort year for corrections and reviews.
You may be wondering, what's the difference between the 4-year and 5-year grad rates? The 4-year grad rate is the number of students who graduated from high school in 4 years with a regular high school diploma. Students who graduated in the summer and have been entered into the graduation table by August 15th are included within the 4-year grad rate. Another group to be included in the 4-year grad rate are students who graduate from high school in less than 4 years. District users must bank the early graduates and include them in their respective 4-year adjusted cohort. They are not included in the year they graduated early. The 5-year grad rate includes students who graduate from high school a year after their cohort's original 4 years with a regular high school diploma. They will be considered as non-graduates for the 4-year adjusted cohort. There are 3 main components when it comes to making corrections of student records. District users can delete a record, correct a record, and add a record.
To delete or correct a record, click on the Make Correction icon that corresponds to the student. Scroll down and select the Remove Cohort Student Record. Choose one of the following reasons: upload documentation, and post a comment as to why the student should be deleted from the cohort.
When deleting a cohort record, the student must be on time to graduate. If a student repeated a grade, received a GED, or did not graduate on time, the student would not be accepted for approval.
Select the correct cohort student record for modifications. Documentation must be provided for the altering of student records. District users cannot modify student records for economically disadvantaged, special ed, or LEP. Click on the Add Student Record link for students who should be included within their respective cohort year. Additional students added to the 4-year or 5-year cohort need to have approval from the Division of Elementary and Secondary Education. If you have any questions, please contact the School Performance Unit by phone at 501-682-7339 or by email at ade.schmail@arkansas.gov.